that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner.
I'm going to taste of this icing right now and see how it tastes. That's really delicious.
'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide. And the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a pumpkin pie Lush dessert. And Fallon over on Moss Family TV is doing a Fall Food Friday collab, as she usually does either in September or October. And I'm glad that I'm able to participate in it. And all the ladies that have participated in it and made such great desserts, y'all check them out too. She has a playlist on her channel. So here are some of the ingredients in my recipe. I have these pecan shortbread cookies right here. I have them chopped up coarse. And also I'm going to have some pecans on top. And I got 1 cup of milk, some pumpkin puree. And I'll spray this pan right here with this spray. And I have some pumpkin pie spice that goes in it. And I have 2 tubs of Cool Whip in it that's going to go in it. And some vanilla pudding that I'll mix in with my milk. And but it's just a real easy little no-bake dessert, so let me get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my 8x8 pan. Okay. Also, I'm going to put a stick of butter in my cookies. Let's stir all this up. I could eat these pecan sandy cookies without even making a dessert. That pumpkin is going to make it all the better. In the recipe it said on your cookies that they should be coarse. So this is not the way I usually make a pie crust. Okay. And it also said that the crust would be thick. So I'm going to press this in. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my Jell-O pudding. This is vanilla. I'm going to put in my pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to twist it up a little bit. That pumpkin pie spice really smells good. So now then I'm going to put in my milk. Okay. I think that's good. So now then I'm going to put in my pumpkin. Let me get the paper towel right here. And there's a pumpkin pie, it's called, let's say, pumpkin pie, no, it's called instant pumpkin spice pudding mix that you can get, but also we'll leave a substitution because it's hard to find it in a lot of grocery stores. And so that's what I'm having to do. Okay, now then I'm going to add in my Cool Whip, or fold it in. I love no-bake recipes. They say that the instant pumpkin spice pudding mix is a seasonal pudding, and so that's one of the reasons why it's hard to get. Okay, put the rest of this in. It's hard sometimes to judge the size of bowls that you need. I almost need a bigger bowl. Okay, I think that's all incorporated now, so I'm going to bring my dish back over here and add in my pudding mixture. I love that color. Okay. Okay, I've got that smoothed out now, so now I'm going to add in the top part. It's still cloudy here today in our town. It's been raining all week. It really seems like a nice fall day today. Okay, I think that's spread it out good enough. So now then I'm going to put my pecans on here. If I can locate them. You could also decorate this with some little orange glitter, I guess. Make it more fall. Put you some sprinkles on it. I'm just going to put pecans today. I think I'm going to stop there. Okay, here is my pumpkin pie lush dessert. It's finished and it was real easy to make. And I didn't even have to turn my oven on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refrigerate this for about 6 hours and then come back and do the taste test. But this is better to leave it in overnight. So I'll be back in a little while. Hi everyone, this is the next day, and so my dessert has been sitting in the refrigerator overnight, and so I'm ready to do the taste test. And I hope everyone is having an amazing day today. Man, this is a delicious dessert. This would make a good Thanksgiving dessert, or any time you wanted to make it dessert. It is really good. All those pumpkin flavors in there, and the cookies on the bottom. You just can't beat it. It's delicious. And I hope y'all all enjoyed this Fall Food Friday video. And I hope you all have a great day. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And see you in the next video. Bye.
I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.